In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion shopping list and meal plan. As we all juggle busy schedules, simplifying our grocery trips and meal planning can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and create a streamlined system using Notion. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to Notion. If you're not already familiar, Notion is an all-in-one workspace that allows you to manage your to-dos, projects, and more with incredible ease. Now, head over to your connected workspace. This is where you can coordinate everything from your personal notes to collaborative documents. If you've yet to create an account, just sign up, although I assume most of you watching are already logged in. Once that's completed, make your way to the Notion home. This might be where you usually land when you open Notion. It's your dashboard of sorts, a one-stop venue to access all your existing projects and keep track of ongoing tasks. From here, we're going to set up something very specific, a shopping list and meal planner. Now, simply utilize the search bar and type in shopping list. This search will allow you to find an existing template or provide a reference for building your own. It's an excellent way of seeing how Notion can be customized depending on your preferences and needs. Depending on what pops up, click on Meal Planning and Grocery List. This is a popular feature on Notion and a fantastic starting point for building out your customized plan. Once inside the Meal Planning and Grocery List area, you'll notice the interface allows you to keep tabs on your groceries efficiently. You can categorize, list, and prioritize your items and meal plans accordingly. Notion's drag-and-drop interface makes it extremely user-friendly to tailor these characteristics to your liking. This page functions much like a kitchen command center right at your fingertips. At this point, add new items by clicking on the Add button. Here's where your plan begins to take shape. Whether you're listing ingredients for a dish you're planning to prepare, or simply adding things you're running low on, keep it organized. You might want to group your groceries by type, urgency, or maybe even by recipe. The flexibility of Notion means you're only limited by your imagination. That's all it takes to set up your Notion shopping list and meal plan. By keeping everything organized, you can streamline your trips to the store and ensure that all your meals are planned without a hitch. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you feel more in control of your meal planning process. Thanks for watching, and happy planning using Notion.